y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. I'm just leaving the Salinas Elks Lodge. That's where I spent last night, Salinas, California. We are going to go back over to the coast along Highway 1 over to Monterey. Okay, the road I'm on here is 101. Next exit should be the peninsula for head over to Monterey. And it's Highway 68. I drove this 3 years ago when I was down here. It's a good low road. It's not very far either. We got cut through some town traffic. No sense filming all this. I'll be back when we get over to the other side and get going on the road. Away we go. We're heading to Monterey. The sign says 16 miles, but it's all 1 and 2 lane road. There's no traffic. It shouldn't take us too long. Really rained here. I mean, it came down in buckets for the last day or so. So I'm glad I came up the 101. If you're following on a road that, unless I know some of you guys are, when I left, Santa Monica, I drove up the coast highway and then I cut up to the 101. Then I took the 101 up to Santa Maria, spent the night at the Elks at Santa Maria. And from there, yesterday I drove all the way to Salinas. Spent the night last night. We got a few clouds. There's supposed to be a chance of showers, but hit or miss. If it rains, it won't last long, a few minutes. Kind of a coastal showers rolling through. Ought to be a beautiful day over here. Okay, we're getting closer. Traffic's picking up a little. But there was no way I was going to drive that Highway 1 in a major spring storm. Especially going up over that mountain. There was windy passes and stuff. Ain't no way. It would have been fun. I couldn't have filmed it. And so that's why I decided to take the 101. But now we're going to go back over. I'm going to backtrack probably about 30, probably a little over 30 miles south on 1. And we'll see a few of the sights. I'm planning on doing, actually shooting 3 videos today. Alrighty, here we are, back to Highway 1, yay! Where we left off a couple days ago. We're gonna go 1 south, which goes through Monterey. I'm not doing the town of Monterey. I'm not gonna drive around there. The goal is to go down to BIXBY Bridge, and then we'll start and come back from there. And it is super pretty down there. If the rain holds off, we ought to get some really good footage going down. Okay, this is 1 south. It's kind of like a freeway in spots. North you go up to Santa Cruz, south we'll go down through Monterey, then Carmel. Then you head straight south and that ends up in like Big Sur and all that. Alrighty. Right up here on the right is 17-mile drive, Pebble Beach. Now that on the way back, I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna make this into 3 separate videos. Today's video will be BIXBY Bridge. Then coming back, we're going to stop at a state beach that I stopped at 3 years ago. That is just beautiful. Garapata, something like that. State beach. Anyway, you'll see it when we get up here. And then the third video will be 17-mile drive and Pebble Beach. Hopefully the rain holds out. Right there's the exit for it. So that'll be future videos coming up this week. We're dropping in. This is the outskirts of Carmel by the Sea, Carmel Valley, all of it. We're gonna kind of just cut right through the middle of it. Look at the hills. Look how green everything is with this, the moisture of the ocean year round. Just beautiful here. Very exclusive area to live in, which means dollars. Okay, that's kind of the end of the towns here. This is the start of Highway 1. This is going to be all 2-lane from here on out. And I think it's about 100 miles. It'd probably be over 100 miles from where I turned off at Malibu. At least 100, I'm guessing. Anyway, we're going to go down here. I think Bixby Bridge should be around 20 miles, somewhere in there. Hey, there's the ocean on the right. There's a little beach here. We're not stopping at that one, but made it back. There's the water. Look how pretty blue the sky is with them big old clouds. Isn't that neat? Still remnants. Still supposed to rain on and off. They're saying up in the mountains around here they're going to get feet of snow. This is a major storm. Homes through here. I guess they're all homes. My goodness. Look at that gas station, man. That was a fancy looking gas. There wasn't even a price thing on it. Guess around here it doesn't matter. You don't ask the price. Even the real estate signs are gold plated. Okay, there's a brick wall. There's the ocean. Yay. We still got a little ways to go yet. There's a pole out. But we're going to keep trucking. Beautiful drive. If you ever get over in the neck of the woods, take it. Even if you only go down to like Big Sur and turn around, come back. And that's what most people do, because from Big Sur on, it's all road. There's really nothing to stop. There's a few little pullouts. I did that 3 years ago. It was quite the drive. All right. Picking up some raindrops, but I still see blue sky. Right in here is where that Garapata beach is. Actually, it's a whole state park in here. We'll stop. That'll be the second video. We'll come back to that state park. That'll be tomorrow's video. There's the ocean. Yay. Pretty dry. Not bad with traffic either. Not bad at all. I drove this thing where it was bumper to bumper. It wasn't fun. Of course, we're, weekday morning in May. Still raining, but I still see blue sky. I think we're good shape. We're almost there, not too much farther. Okay, I think it's just over the other side of this. Look at these old bridges. Man, just think of the amount of traffic through the years. I think right up here somewhere is where they've had a few landslides in here that wiped out this road. Wow, look at this. This is all brand new in here. Yep. Real new. I bet this is where one of those slides happened. Pretty, isn't it? On the right, that's a big drop off. We're way up here. That's several hundred feet down to the water. Beautiful. Here we are. We made it. Check it out. I can park. Every time I've ever driven by here, it's always been packed. Look at this, right on the end. This is perfect. Okay, let me get out and take a look real quick. Alright, you ready for a view and a half plus some? Look at that. This is you. Oh my goodness. It's like a painting. Look at that. Cliffs, water, crashing on the rocks. Look at the little flowers here. Look at that, a bus stop. There's a bus stop here at BIXBY Bridge. Huh. Yeah, the van's still holding together. It's still got 4 tires on it. Alright, well, let's wander over to the bridge. Boy, people taking selfies everywhere. I don't want to say that lady was scared to get down to the edge. I don't want to fall off. I don't blame her. There's the bridge. Check it out. Look at that thing. Wow, look at that. Look at the waves crashing in. That's a long ways down there. That's a few hundred feet. Look at that old bridge. They claim that's the most Oh, look at him. Hey, birdie. RVerTV fan. Alright, back to the bridge. It's the most photographed bridge in California. I read a little bit about it. It was built in the 30s. They've redone it a few times because of earthquakes and all that. But it's called BIXBY Creek Bridge. So 30s, that'd be like 80 plus, almost 90 years old. Amazing, huh? Looks rickety. Never really thought about it driving over it before, but yeah, we're going back the other way. It doesn't matter. Isn't this pretty? Okay, you've seen it here first. This is Highway, Pacific Coast Highway, Bixby Bridge, Bixby Creek Bridge. And right up here's the bus stop for it. Hey, motorhome, motorhome. Another motorhome. Yay. Look at that. Route 22, Big Sur. You can take a bus to Big Sur. Nice. Okay, one last look. We're gonna head back the other way. Next stop, I'll film that Garrapatta State Beach. Then after that, we'll stop, do 17-mile drive, Pebble Beach. Okay, so long Bixby Creek Bridge. We're heading north on Pacific Coast Highway, back up towards Monterey. Hey, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Little bell too to get notifications for future videos. Also, click on the links for support. You got the Amazon store links. Buy a t-shirt. Hit that buy me a cup of coffee one too. All support really helps grow the channel. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care all.